Hi, welcome to monumentalmath.com. We're going to be doing an algebra topic today called factoring trinomials. We're going to be given a trinomial, which means you have three terms, and we're going to break that down to two factors that are binomials. Okay, let's get started. First term comes from first times first. So x squared came from x times x. Now we need factors of 40 that somehow give us 3. 40 could be 1 times 40 or 2 times 20 or 4 times 10 or 5 times 8. 5 and 8. 5 and 8 will give us 3 as long as it needs to give us -3, so it has to have a -8 and a +5. Okay, the next one, x squared minus 13x plus 40. First times first gave us x squared, so that's x and x. Now we need to be able to add numbers to give us -13x as our middle term, but multiply to give us a +40. These will be the numbers because they add to a -13 as long as I make them both negative. And if I make them both negative, they multiply to give me the +40. Okay, next one. We need x squared came from x and x. That's always a nice one. Okay, now we need factors of 40 that somehow give us 6. That would be 4 and 10. 4 and 10, I need a -6. So I need a -10, but a +4. That's how you do it. You look at your middle term and you figure out what factors of this will get you that middle term. Okay, next one, set 2. X squared, that's always nice. X squared came from x times x. Factors of 20 that give us 9. 20 comes from 1 times 20, or 2 times 10, or 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is what we need. We need a +4 and a +5 because they'll add to a +9 and they'll multiply to give us to a +20. Next one, we need a +1x, but we need them to multiply to give us a -20. X squared came from x and x. Numbers that differ by 1, it's going to be the 4 and 5 again. We need it to be a +1x, so that means the 5 had to be positive and the 4 had to be negative. Next one, factors of 20 that differ by 1. So this time we need x and x. We need 5 and 4 again, but this time we need a -1x, so we need a -5 and a +4. Could I write it here or could I write it there? If I would have done x and x and put my 4 here and my 5 there, I still need a -1, so I would have put a minus here and a plus there. Same answer. Okay, these are equivalent answers, not a problem. Now you go ahead and give it a try. I want you to analyze and then find what that middle term is going to separate into as factors, and then find the answer. Algebra teaches you how to analyze, so go ahead and become more analytical. Good luck. I hope you enjoy the challenge.